The Silent Supply Chain Revolution, Exploring IoT Inventory Systems. SmartStart, Exploring IoT Inventory Systems for Small Businesses. What IoT Inventory System means in an inventory context. The term, Internet of Things, or IoT, refers to physical objects, often small devices, equipped with sensors capable of collecting information and transmitting it digitally. Within inventory management, IoT shifts the process from periodic, manual verification to continuous, automated awareness. Instead of relying solely on human observation, sensors generate a constant flow of information about stock levels, item location, temperature conditions for perishable goods, motion patterns in storage areas, and even predictive signals that something is moving toward a shortage or a bottleneck. It is simply another way data can be produced, transmitted, and interpreted in real time. Understanding the system's structure helps clarify where that data comes from and how it becomes useful. The 4 technical layers of an IoT inventory system. IoT inventory system operate through 4 interconnected technical layers. These layers, to understand conceptually, simply explain how information travels from the physical environment into a format a business can observe. The first layer of the IoT inventory system is the physical device layer. Sensors, RFID tags, environmental sensors detect temperature or humidity, motion sensors register movement within a warehouse, or small low-energy chips attached to equipment or components. Engineers choose sensors based on what needs to be measured for the small business. Some sensors track presence and location, others observe environmental conditions, others register usage or vibration patterns. Sensor devices are designed to capture small business inventory data from the real world and convert it into digital signals. The second layer of the IoT inventory system is the communication layer. The communication layer is the pathway that carries sensor data from the physical world to small business digital systems. The communication layer may rely on Wi-Fi, Bluetooth Low Energy, cellular networks, short-range radio frequency systems, or industrial communication protocols. The third layer of the IoT inventory system is the data processing layer. The data processing layer transforms raw sensor signals into meaningful information for the small business. The data processing layer is the level where predictive insights, such as projected shortages, environmental deviations, or unexpected movement, begin to form. The fourth layer of the IoT inventory system is the visualization or integration layer. The integration layer is where the information becomes visible to humans or usable by existing small business systems. Inventory dashboards, live maps of product movement, automated stock alerts, or integrations with ordering systems all operate at the integration layer. Integration layer may rely on application programming interfaces, middleware platforms, or direct connectors developed by software vendors. The 4 technical layers of an IoT inventory system work together. The result is a small business supply chain that observes itself continuously, producing data that can support faster decisions and fewer interruptions within the small business inventory lifecycle. IoT inventory systems incorporate engineering elements that may not be visible on the surface of the small business inventory systems. The physical device layer of IoT inventory systems, sensors may require decisions about battery life, physical durability, placement, or sensor calibration. The communication layer may involve how signals travel inside buildings, how interference works, or what happens in low connectivity environments. The data processing layer may rely on engineers designing filtering algorithms, anomaly detection models, or predictive analysis routines. At the visualization and integration layer, engineering work ensures that IoT inventory data interacts cleanly with existing small business systems without disrupting operational workflows. Security knowledge relevant to IoT inventory systems. IoT inventory systems introduce additional digital elements into a small business environment, and each element participates in security architecture. The security considerations relate to the fact that IoT inventory sensors transmit data continuously, across wireless networks, and processing systems store operational information that may have small business value. Security measures relevant to IoT inventory systems often involve encrypted communication channels, device authentication, monitoring tools, and segmentation within network architecture. Security at a high level simply means recognizing that IoT inventory systems rely on technology layers where trust must be established: the device, its communication path, its processing environment, and the integration to small business systems receiving the data. Cloud systems are local systems in IoT inventory. Cloud systems IoT inventory typically allow widespread access across different locations and support large-scale computational workloads. Local systems IoT inventory process small business data on-site, reducing dependency on external connectivity and providing tighter small business local control. Hybrid model systems IoT inventory distribute processing, with some functions handled on local devices or gateways and others managed in cloud platforms. IoT inventory systems do not dictate small business operational decisions. Visibility is provided that traditional methods cannot produce at the same speed or scale. SmartStart. Technology clarity for modern small businesses.